Unraveling the mystery of whom, your guide to using it right. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another interesting session on English language learning. Today, we'll be delving deep into the fascinating world of English grammar. Our focus for today is whom as an interrogative pronoun. To understand the usage of whom as an interrogative pronoun, it is crucial to understand what an interrogative pronoun is. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. They are words like who, what, and which. Now, whom is a special case because it's a form of who used in a particular context. Whom is used to refer to the object of a verb or preposition. So, when should you use whom? This is where many learners get confused. Remember this rule. Use whom when you're referring to the object of a sentence, not the subject. Here's an example. To whom did you give the book? In this question, the book, the object, is being given to whom. Therefore, we use whom instead of who. Often, whom is used in questions that begin with prepositions. For instance, with whom are you going to the party? From whom did you receive this letter? In each of these questions, whom is the object of the preposition at the start of the question. But whom and who are not interchangeable. Remember that who is used when referring to the subject of a sentence. For instance, who is going to the party with you? In this question, who is the subject, the person performing the action of going to the party. There you have it, learners. That's your guide to using whom as an interrogative pronoun. Remember, the key is to identify whether you're referring to the subject or the object of the sentence. We hope this video was helpful in your journey to mastering the English language. Keep practicing and we'll meet again in our next session. Happy learning!